Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It is time for a presentation now, and the topic is Need for Eve, Safety First. And to talk about it, I would like to welcome on stage Percy Master, General Manager B2C North and AMP West Godrej Security Solutions. Percy Master, please. The stage is all yours, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. So I know it's the wrong time to give a presentation and the worst time to listen to a presentation, but you guys have to go through it. I will run, make it snappy, and I'll try to make it lively. I see a lot of dozy faces also currently. You can wake him up next to you. Okay, so, okay. So I'm from Godrej and Boys. I mean, I'm sure everybody knows about Godrej. We're 123 years, 123 years old. And we manufacture a lot of stuff. We make hair oil. We make color hair dyes. We make soaps. We make furniture. We make appliances. People are aware, locks, safes, everything. But we also make a lot of stuff. Like we make the fastest missile in the world, Agni. It's BrahMos. BrahMos. We also make rocket engines. The Chandrayaan went to moon, the engines made by Godrej. So we are technically very highly advanced, but people don't know much. They know about furniture and, thoda cupboard pata hai, thoda, all that stuff. So, but we have to do a lot of stuff. So we have got 1 billion consumers across the globe. We not only are the market leaders in India, but we sell across 60 countries. I'm talking of security solutions. Our safes are sold in 60 countries across the globe. So name the spectrum we are present. Maybe defense, banks, hospitals, industries, hotels, homes. We are present, omnipresent everywhere. Everybody needs security. Of course, the awareness is quite low in India. People need to be pushed for security, but we are there. When we talk of security, Indians particularly, all of us believe in karma. मेरे से ऐसा होगा नहीं. I am a nice guy. मैं किसी का बुरा किया नहीं है, मेरा बुरा होगा नहीं. Trust me. We are God fearing. भगवान है. You take anybody's car, God is always there. There will be some, some chunni or something will always be there. हमारा एक्सीडेंट होने वाला नहीं है. That's why most of our cars don't use ABS. We don't use. God is there, boss. Nothing. And I'm a God-fearing guy. Nothing goes wrong. So that's the biggest problem. When it comes to home security also, we believe nothing will happen to me. I am well protected. और मैं तो अच्छा आदमी हूँ. अच्छों के साथ अच्छा ही होता है. बुरा आदमी तो बुरा होता है. So the guy who is bad, he has to worry. Stress, one more factor. I have to run through because I've got 15 minutes only. The current penetration level in India for security in homes is just 7%. Just 7%. 93% market, untapped. People are not using security. They're very happy, as I said, karma. So why? The three things that are coming in the why session. One is the myths and beliefs, substitutes, and unsafe practices. So let's bust those myths. So as I said, we all feel kuch hone wala nahi hai, and we all wait for the day till the burglary happens, something goes wrong, and then you all start running. So generally, if there's a burglary in, say, X building, trust me, the entire building suddenly gets, awakened, and they all run for different kinds of security. But till that much time, nothing. It's a news. You open the paper, you read something happening, ठीक है, हुआ है, turn the page. That's it, life goes on. The other thing is, cameras, they are meant for traffic signals. Of course, those also don't work all the time. But who uses cameras in the house? Nobody uses cameras in the house. People are all traveled. We all travel abroad. We have seen how people use cameras. But when it comes to our own thing, we will say, घर में कौन कैमरा लगाए? घर में देखना क्या है? Next is, of course, money. People, Indians, paisa, secure systems must be very expensive. We don't mind a mobile, which costs maybe a lakh of rupees, but secure system, expensive. We don't even know the price, but it's a presumption. Security is expensive. And of course, when you talk of, home camera security, the thought comes, the wiring and the jhamela and the technical know-how. It's too complicated. Who will go for all that? Substitutes. So we have got plenty of substitutes, but the most common ones are, हमारे building में watchman है, and we assume a guy who gets about $4,000 is going to, sacrifice his life for you when there are 4 or 5 guys coming in the building to rob a house. Of course, watchdogs. We have a dog in the house, हमारे घर में कुत्ता है. Simple. And we expect that poor guy to, actually defend the entire house. Somebody comes in with a gun and he's going to attack them. And honestly, it's a presumption people are having, but this is what we do. Then, of course, we have a nanny for kids. We have got neighbors. That's the biggest form of defense in India. हमारे अच्छे neighbors हैं. I am sure we will do that whenever we go out of station. Auntie ji, जरा घर पे नजर रखना. So we do that. We all do that. My mother is a very, very big source of this. She is in the building for the whole time. So everybody who goes anywhere, the keys are here, or they come and tell, "Jara nazar rakhna." I don't know what my mother does, but she is the highest security in our own area. And of course, we have got double doors and a lot of stuff. Some poor guy has got a lot of responsibilities. So I put the photos just to show the stress he's going through. Of course, the security guard, we all assume building mein hai, khatam ho gaya. Half the time he's washing cars, he's going to bazaar, he's doing odd end jobs. But then we presume he is supposed to be the most alert guy. He's got a wide angle view like a camera. He's seeing everything across. Of course, he's got night vision also. In the night, he can see far away. Everything is very clear. He can see everything in the darkness. And of course, he's got a built-in mic and recording system. Of course, the memory power is too high. He can record everything. It's all presumptions. We presume, and this is what we do again. I already told you the neighbors, the best neighbors in the world are in India. सब लोग घर पे नजर रखते हैं करके. And I mean, they have no work. 24/7, they'll be outside the window or the door and be seeing your house. Peoples, हमारे घर में people है ना, हम देख लेंगे. People से, I don't know how much क्या देख लेंगे वो लोग, and how much time they will spend in the people. But people assume that again it gives you everything like a camera. Unsafe practices. This is the most common one, and something very new. Tell your friends. So we have got Facebook, Instagram, everything, where the world knows where you are. So when you're not in the house, everybody else knows that you are not in the house, you're out of the country. So this is a new trend, which was not there a few years back, because I am now quite grey, so I have seen a lot of, different types of security and different levels of security. So this is something new, but we do it. Everybody does it. We enjoy, okay, I'm in Switzerland. Here, check out my photographs. So even the burglar knows, okay, you're in Switzerland. Let me enjoy the photographs. So do you want to be in control physically, even when you're not there in the house? So one is, of course, I talk of safes because I come from security, common sense. So safes is one product that I come for. And any wooden almaris are a trend. People are going for wooden, carpenter-made store wells or ready-made store wells, wooden. These are totally unsafe. Our safes are 1000x times stronger. So in case of a burglar, trust me, this cannot protect your wealth. And we all have got something in the house, even if you have a bank locker. So there are different safes. We have got 10x, 100x, 1000x. So we come to Eve. Which is the product that I want to talk about. This is a small product, a small camera. Best part, there is no wiring. It's wireless. So all the hassles of wiring, gone. Simple. It can be placed anywhere. You don't need to mount on a ceiling or anywhere. It can be placed anywhere. Next to your TV, on your showcase, on a table, on a refrigerator. It can be kept anywhere. You can watch your kids when you're not in office. Or when you're in office, sorry. You can watch your kids when not in house. When you're enjoying a party, you can still watch over your kids. However good the nanny is, you can still watch over the kids. If there are two kids, you want to know who is the mischievous one, because when you go home, you get a lot of complaints. Your sister marti hai bhaiya ko, generally it happens the other way around. But so you can even talk to the child. You can hear the child also. So that's my home security. I think we have a small film over here.
Sleep, 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 my little princess. Sweet, sweet, sweet little kisses.
देखा मिसेस अग्रवाल कैसे शो ऑफ कर रही थी अपना नेकलेस।
अरे तो तुम भी तो अपना डायमंड वाला नेकलेस पहन सकती हो। सारा टाइम कवर में बंद रहता है, अंडे देता है।
वो तो स्पेशल ओकेजन्स के लिए रखा है।
अरे ये श्रीधर के फ्लैट के सामने लोग क्यों खड़े हैं?
हुआ सो हुआ, बहुत बुरा हुआ।
एक मिनट भाई साहब, एक मिनट। अरे श्रीधर क्या हो गया?
अरे गोपाल बाबू कहाँ रह गए थे? घर पे चोर घुसा है।
ओए 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 ओए।
ये तो बहुत बुरा हुआ।
वो तो कबर्ड में लॉकर था, तोड़ नहीं पाए, इसलिए चोर आपके घर में घुस गए।
ये तो बहुत बुरा हुआ।
गोपाल बाबू चांस नहीं लेना, लॉकर लेना गोदरेज का। कबर्ड के मुकाबले 10 गुना स्ट्रॉन्गर। होम लॉकर्स फ्रॉम गोदरेज, बिल्कुल सेफ है।
So that's it from me. I hope I awoke everybody who was sleeping. And if there are any questions, I can answer, of course. The cameras can, of course, look after elderly parents also. It's only kids only. But you can look after elderly parents who are actually handicapped, who can't move in the house, or their ayahs in the house. If you've got pets in the house also, because these poor guys are staying alone in the house, so you can actually talk to them, keep a watch. And you can talk to them from anywhere in the world. It's not only Bombay or India. You can talk from anywhere across the globe. So any questions?
परसी जी मेरे पास एक सवाल है, आपके घर पे कितने कैमरास हैं?
Oh, I'm using a camera. It's in my mobile. I told you my mother is in the house alone, so I have to.
Suddenly I'm feeling very unsafe. Huh? Double grill वाली door है मेरे पास, तो अभी कुछ करना
They're
पड़ेगा.
useless.
Useless. चलिए. Thank you very much. It was a very enlightening session, very enlightening presentation. Let's hear it for Percy Master. And before you leave, a small token of appreciation from us. I would like to welcome Franklin back on stage, founder and CTO of Indian Wikimedia. Thank you, thank you.